Yo, what's up guys? It's 5 AM and I'm tired. I've been up since 3:30 AM. We're on our way to Silverstone for Japfest and we're running late, so I'm gonna see you on the roads. We're going to pick up Tanya's friend, and when we meet everyone, I'm gonna just roll up with her and see what they say, see if we control them. Tanya's gonna hide in the back seat.
So evil. Oh, I need to ask for my coffee. I'm just gonna get Starbucks as well because I got woken up very early this morning.
I got an hour late compared to my normal day.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're wearing our Void Society t-shirts.
Void gun.
Woo woo. Hello. Okay, so.
What's up, bro? What's going on? This is Tiffany.
Hello.
Timing skips on time for once. Yeah. Whoa. 2 minutes past. I'm very proud of you.
All happening.
Why
No
are you fucking
question.
back?
You guys, hello.
Where should I tell her that I knew already? Just what happened?
Skip's too polite to say anything. Who the f is her?
Didn't wonder where Tanya was. Rolling up with a brand
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't wonder, but I thought, you know what, it's best not to ask.
But it was your exchange. Oh, we're sitting there like.
These two guys are with us.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know where they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sora and the S14.
You obviously did your eyelash pro.
Oh, lucky I parked here then, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought you guys might have spoke already, but yeah.
Nah, I didn't know who they were, so I just didn't bother, innit?
Did you see them?
Yeah, I saw them. I think
Yeah,
they went.
it's gone inside, yeah.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Sweet.
I haven't.
No. Do you want to get some McD's?
Alright, how you doing?
Man, I can't
Style
believe
getting away.
dirty car again.
Cheers! Void going? Just pulls funny faces when no one's looking. It's so good. Cracks me up. Yeah, I can imagine. Cheers, mate. Yeah. Do you want to sit down?
alright, I'll just put that there. Fucking hell, boy. Gave me wristbands in case I'm going on the track. Pissed.
Can you see that smile creeping through?
Proper race spec, boy.
Comfy. I'll make you a set of those at work if you want. Is that guy trying to install his horn? I'm feeling man's boot. Wooden box. Gone for the Neela fade, I like to call it. The Neela fade per RX-8 from Tokyo Drift. It sort of gave up halfway. It kind of looks like my BMX I done it white to black like that, and with a rattle can. Kind of ended up looking like that.
With the fade, they weren't supposed to be a clear line.
Yeah.
Give it a go.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, it is. Oh my god. Yeah, I know you're stepping. I was so.
I need a new pair of trousers. See, if you had this, you wouldn't keep damaging your lip. Turbo B18 Starlet, what? I'm impressed. Look how burnt I am.
So am I. I'm very
It wasn't even
red.
sunny.
No, it wasn't. That's the dangerous part.
We already left, by the way. We're going to Bang Bang to get some food. Yeah, I can't vlog and drive.
Okay, we're going to Bang Bang to get some food.
Which is basically a massive hall with about 18 restaurants with different cuisines and street foods in them.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Super
And
yummy.
bubble tea.
And bubble tea.
And free parking.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
That's it, I was gonna say.
So yeah, we're on the way there. Skip and Brandon are with us somewhere back there. We've lost them.
Yeah.
But they've never been before, so we're gonna munch.
Yeah.
Failed at the vlogging thing again today. But there's some car shots in there somewhere. Enjoy.
And some really cool like drone shots too.
We might as well end the vlog here because I don't think we're going to do much more after this. We're going to get some food and probably go home. So if after the food shots it fades to black, goodbye. If it don't, I'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.
I lost Skip. Hello mate, where are you? Okay. Yeah. Sweet. Found him.
That captain slow, I always get lost, don't it?
You're too courteous. That's what I find. You're too courteous. You let everyone through and then you get held back. We're going in here.
I just picked the wrong one.
The wrong hole.
The wrong road.
Hi Brandon. Cool. We're walking upstairs now. Yeah, bubble tea, bar, desserts. Yeah. But there's lots, so we'll have a wander. Hey, hey, hey.
Just in case.
Yeah, cool. They're horrible, isn't it? I scraped on them badly. Jeez. Car of the day, go.
This orange 350Z I saw.
Car of the day, go.
That's GT86. The black one. With the white spots.
Cheese. Car of the day, go. Yeah, the slant view. Car of the day, go.
Mint and pink Miata. GT86, the Bangalore.
I'll take IS200 with the 1 day in it.
Yeah, sounds good. My car of the day was silver G35 Skyline.
No pressure there.
Being stared at. Do you see the gist lorry when we pulled up at the roundabout at the end of the M1? Yeah. He had a Trafalgar Law title on his arm.
Oh really? Yeah.
Yeah, we saw it,
Yeah. Yeah, what was Johnny Rogers?
With the spectacle.
Yeah, no, he had on his arm. I was like, what are you on?
That's cool.
That was good. I was gassed.
5. Thank you.
That's fine, thank you.
Home soon.
1 hour later.
Oh yeah, it's
What the hell's going on with that?